My name is Norbert Weber. I'm responsible for interior and color trim in Škoda design. We start with this gesture. It's coming from the grille of Škoda with this small nose. We make a small interpretation and brings this gesture into the interior, into this beautiful wing of the Enyaq, where we have this small nose in front of the 13-inch display, and we have a very nice center console with a double layer to create more space in the car. Create space also with the wraparound, which is coming from the left and the right side. Interior have also something to do with materials, and this is we create a material world coming from the interior architecture with a lot of fabric, but we also implement in the car olive tint leather first time at Škoda, which is going more to this nature feeling into the car.